They're very noisy, these parakeets. The last time I saw them, they were up by a tree on the canal. And now they've actually moved. They're a lot noisier than last time too, which is interesting because it was a similar time when I saw them in this other tree overlooking the canal. So maybe I don't know if it's feeding time or they've just moved in and they're trying to decide where everyone sits in the tree. Who gets the best spot, basically. But it's really interesting to actually observe them. I wonder what the rest of the birds in this local area think of them, you know? Like if they are causing a nuisance, maybe stealing their food, I don't know. Like, how is the competition looking? Yeah, I'm gonna leave these guys to it. It's a beautiful evening. To that vapor trail. Very beautiful evening. Alright, buds. See you later.